Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I said in my last video, I'll be doing another video after the Eco unboxing. I'll be doing the Alexa pairing video where I'll be pairing all my devices with the Amazon Echo to have the smart ecosystem in my room. So I have paired the AC, my smart AC, Panasonic smart AC. I have paired my Halonic smart light. I have paired my Realme smart plug. I have paired my one of the new device which I'll be doing the review soon. That is also one of the smart device, and definitely the Echo. I have linked it with my Amazon account, so Prime Video updates, all my order updates comes on as notifications on my Alexa device. Also, all the Amazon Music, it plays on my Alexa device on my voice. So let's get started and let's get deep into this video. Alright guys, now we will sync our Halonix Alright guys, now we'll be syncing the Halonix smart light, which I already have, and it is turned on currently, like the switch is on. So let's sync it with the Halonix app. Need to go to devices, need to click on, let me just put this here, click on plus, add a device. So here I see which device would you like to set up. It says Eco, light, plug, switch, remote, camera, so many things. So it's a light. Alright, so many brands. Halonix. Is your light turned on? Let me actually turn it on quickly. Alright, it is turned on. Yes. Is your light already set up in Halonix app? Yes. Connect your Halonix account to keyword. If I say it, it will say it. It will start enabling basically. So it will pop up saying what do you want and all. So let me put the credentials. Your Halonix Wi-Fi account has been successfully linked. Next. Alright. It is waiting for the application to connect to the Amazon application. Let's see. It says it is linked and connected. Not sure. Yep, cool, connected. Next, I'll put it in my bedroom. Add to group. Smart light, bedroom, added to bedroom. Continue. No, I don't want these, but I'll have some other routines. Next. Cool. These are the instructions. Getting started. you want to use this for introduction. I'll select this, continue.
Welcome to your new bedroom smart light. Now that you have completed the setup, let's get you started with a few things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's start with the basics by turning on your bedroom smart light. Say, Alexa, turn on bedroom smart light.
Alexa, turn on bedroom smart light.
Okay, next. To set the mood, let's dim the lights. Say, Alexa, turn down bedroom smart light.
Alexa, turn down bedroom smart light.
Okay, now let's get your lights to its brightest. Try saying, Alexa, increase bedroom smart light to 100%.
Alexa, increase bedroom smart light to 100%.
Okay, I noticed that this bulb changes colors. Try saying, Alexa, turn bedroom smart light to blue.
Alexa, turn bedroom smart light to yellow.
Okay, last one. You can also change your light to shades of white, like daylight or soft white. Try saying, Alexa, turn bedroom smart light to soft white.
Alexa, turn bedroom smart light to soft white.
Okay, you have
It's changing,
completed the
guys.
lighting basics. Check out the Devices tab in your Alexa app to find more things to try.
Awesome. So if I go to lights, this is it. Routines, and suggest routines, it says I don't want these, but I'll have some other routines. Say suggestions anyway. So this is the light, all on, all off. Alright, if I go inside this, it says power on, brightness 100, soft white. Create a routine for this light. Alexa, turn off the bedroom light.
Okay,
Alexa, turn on the bedroom light.
okay,
Alright. This is good. Alexa, change color to blue.
okay.
And it changes, guys. It's really awesome. And this is how you connect the Halonix smart light with Amazon keyword app. So now let me go back and let's connect one more thing. So guys, now we will be connecting the other smart application, which is first we did with Halonix Smart. Now we'll be connecting the next, which is Mir AI, which is my AC air conditioner. So we'll do the same again, all devices. So we have these devices. Click on add device. Now here there are multiple devices, as you can see. We will go to air conditioner. There are multiple brands like this. Let me check. Blue Star Icon, I don't have it. And Panasonic. Is your air conditioner turned on? No. Make sure your air conditioner is installed and turned on. Next. Conditioner already set up in Panasonic app? Yes. Connect your Panasonic to Alexa. Next. Panasonic identity server. So let me log in. It is not this, I believe. And let me just put it. Remember. Continue. No. Alright, let me put my again email ID, password.
You need to click on allow, and now the Mirai, as you can see, successfully linked. Next, sure, let it take some time, and it will connect to my aircon. Sorry for the sound, guys, it's raining heavily over here. All right, group to bedroom, Panasonic AC added to bedroom. Continue. Cool. It says thermostat, it doesn't stay AC. If I open it, awesome, this is really good. Mode is cool, current temperature 25. If I turn 24, current temperature is 25 in my room. Is it? Alexa, turn on the AC.
Okay.
Awesome, it turned it on. Says mode as cool here. I'm not sure how to change that, but it has a routine option as usual, and settings. It says this type it says thermostat. That's a Panasonic AC aircon actually, but anyway, current temperature is 24. Okay, it says the current temperature. So if I set it for 23, it will set it to 23 on the aircon or my AC, and then possibly this will change. No, it went to 24. Alright, Alexa, change temperature to 18 degrees.
The AC is set to 18.
Alright, yep, I see it changing to 18. Alexa, set the temperature to 24.
The AC is set to 24.
Cool.
So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you really into such smart ecosystem, guys, I super recommend to go ahead with a smart assistant. First, you have three options actually. You have Google's, that's the best ideally, but you need to have for music, you need to have YouTube Music. That is the best, compatible music platform for Google. I already had Prime, so I thought best compatible music platform for Echo is Amazon Music, so I went with Alexa. So then there is this Apple device as well. I believe it's called as Apple Home. Yeah, so you have Apple device as well. So you have these three options, out of which you can go for any to make your smart rewind to make your home smart. So you have whichever smart devices you have, all those devices can be paired up and all will work on your voice. So that's the best part of it. You don't need to get up, it's all automated. You can put routines. I have literally, I think 50 plus routines just in my bedroom, for AC, for night light, for my smart plug, etc. So stay tuned guys, and go ahead and make your ecosystem smart if you're into it. But before going, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back in next video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.